Jared, I'm breaking up with you.
Why?
You don't tend to my emotions enough, and you don't do the things I ask you to do, so you're a narcissist.
Wait, so because I do the things I value and you want me to change because you want me to do the things that you want and value, I'm a narcissist?
Now you gaslighting me.
Kendra, do you know what gaslighting is?
If you're so smart, you can explain it.
Gaslighting means to twist someone's sense of reality.
Now you mansplaining me.
You know what? I think it's a great idea if we break up. I don't think we have the same values anymore.
No, Jared, this was not planned like this. You were supposed to be heartbroken, which would have shown my sense of ego that you're not good enough for me, which would have made me easily move on, because I know you're still not over me.
Kendra, you know you just talked out loud.
I'm gonna tell all my friends that you are a narcissist and a gaslighter!
Bye, Kendra.
I'm a Leo and you're a Capricorn!